everyone, we have received this Type 2 Innova for an exterior and interior customization. We'll be doing a Lexus Kit on this Innova. It will be a unique design. Along with the exterior, we'll be also working in the interior of the vehicle. This is the standard interior of an Innova. We'll be customizing it. There will be a new bumper at the rear. The tail lights will be changed to all LED unit. Stay tuned to Autorounders. We'll update you once the work is complete. So you can see there's the same Innova which has been modified to Type 4 with a Lexus Kit. The car has been painted the Lexus blue. The color is known as ultrasonic blue. You can see we have installed projector fog lamps with upper dipper function, LED DRL headlamps, Onyx alloy wheel. Brake calipers have been painted in red to give a sporty look. In the rear, if you see, there is a new custom made bumper. LED DRL tail lamps.
So if you're looking at such quality jobs, you can get in touch with us. We are based out of Mumbai. You can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930.